Hey guys, what's up? What is up? To you, Jason, with our life in the Philippines. Hopefully you can hear me. I wanted to shoot a quick video and let you know what's going on. So my father and I decided to come to the Paniqui Mall because I knew there was a money exchange store. This core Pacific Money Exchange. So first I went to the ATM. I want to say something. Always use a GCash debit card if you can, if you live here in the Philippines. Because if you use an American debit card and you go to an ATM, they're going to charge you, I think it's 250 pesos for using that card. And on top of that, your bank is going to charge a fee for converting the money. It's going to end up costing you like $8 to withdraw 200. So I always use my GCash card. You can easily sign up for that. Go to GCash, download the app, connect your bank back home, connect Remitly. I use Remitly to transfer money from my US bank through Remitly directly to my GCash, and then I have Filipino pesos, and then I'll go to an ATM and withdraw cash. Now, all right, so here's the thing. So we came to the mall, I ran to the ATM, I took out 10,000 PHP, and then I came over here to the Core Pacific Money Exchange, and I was going to get some yen. So I said, what's your exchange rate? Well, they didn't know the exchange rate. So I said, well, how much would I get for 5,000? I figured I'd start with 5. How much would I get for 5,000? And she told me, oh, I can give you 10,000 yen for, what's the amount? This is the amount. So I'll just put it here because I can't remember the number. She said, I'll give you 10,000 yen for that amount. And I was like, that doesn't seem right. So then I came and I sat down and I did the math. It's 18%. 18%. They charge 18%. I'm not going to do that. So definitely what I read was just wait till you get to the airport in Japan and withdraw the cash from an ATM with your GCash card, and you only get charged a very small fee. All right, I got to find my dad and Albert. We're here at the mall, and then I'm going to walk through the mall a little bit, just to film a little bit so I can show you guys what a mall looks like. We are in the Paniqui Mall. This is the entrance here. You come in, they got a small food court. This is the hypermarket, supermarket, WalterMart. It's called WalterMart Supermarket, WalterMart Mall. This is all part of that store. They're selling fresh vegetables and meats. I always tell Dave that he should come here and check out the Abenson. Got some other things here. Got LBC. If you do transfer money to the Philippines, you can pick it up at LBC. You got Western Union, Zoom. You see some other things there. What's this? This is also remittance. So you got 3 money things here. You can exchange money, pick up money. But Abenson is the place to buy your appliances. They got name brand. Dave was actually looking for a refrigerator. I'm gonna go check these refrigerators out real quick for Dave so I can show him. Let me pause real quick. So Condora is the brand that I was telling Dave. This is a Filipino brand. So this one is 16, but that's pretty small. Might be too small. Hello.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. My friend wants me to look at refrigerators for him. So
For no crosser, right?
he needs to freeze. He needs to make ice, and he needs the converter type.
Inverter.
Is it inverter?
Inverter, sir. Yes, sir. For business, sir.
Home,
Home.
small home. So we got what's that? Toshiba 17. Yeah, Dave, they got some sales here. Here's an LG. Look at that one. 6,000 off. Wow, that's a good deal. Let's take a look at that. I know you like LG. Get the LG TV. I mean, that's really all you need. It's got an ice maker in here. It's not a bad price. 16. This is a nice fridge. It's not very efficient. Electricity. Does this have an inverter?
Yes, sir. Inverter.
Inverter. Yeah, smart inverter compressor. They got Fuji Denso. This one's more efficient. I do want to keep an eye on that.
It will not be inverter, sir.
Panasonic. That's a nice one.
50% for inverter, sir.
It's got a score of 338. Got 3 stars. $17,999. It's on sale. It's pretty nice. This is at Condora. So they got a big sale today on their refrigerators. When is your sale over? Do you know? Do you know when does the sale end?
May 31, sir.
May 31.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so you still got some time. Maxi freeze. Okay. And then of course you get the larger ones like we have. It's 40,000. I think I see mine. This is mine right here. Condora. I have this fridge. I have in my house, this one. So it was 52. So yeah, this is actually the refrigerator that I have. It's a large and it's got a good score. So you want to keep an eye on that. Okay. I think that's it. Was there a couple more down there real quick? I mean, if you wanted to go really small, you could get something like this for 12, but I wouldn't recommend something that small. This is a refrigerator only. There you go, Dave. LG. Yeah, Dave, you got to come out here, man. You get some good sales. I think that's about all of the small ones. Starting to get a little bigger. All right, let me wrap up here and I'll go back outside. Stay tuned. They also have some furniture in here. You got fans, appliances. I kind of like that little leather sofa. Recliner. How much is this? $13,495.
And try it, sir.
Yeah, I'll try that out. Get mattresses. We bought our mattress here. They got some nice mattresses. All right, let me get out of here. You know, it's funny. You never see 3 white guys in the mall. And today, everybody's staring at us because there's 3 white guys. Got these 2 big guys, and then you got me. It's funny. It's like every time I go somewhere, somebody recognizes me. Cooey Jason, I watch your channel. That's cool. So this is the mall. You got the Goldilocks. Let me zoom out here. This Tomorrow Coffee, they got really good coffee. If I could find my dad and Albert, which I don't know where they're at. Got Dunkin' Donuts. Gilligan's got really good chicken wraps Inasal. Man, these people line up for this Inasal. They love the all-you-can-eat rice. Shakey's got really good pizza. Red Ribbon. This is the department store, so you can get clothes and pretty much it, clothes. A little bit of household items. Get some shoes. This is not a very big mall, but I like it. I mean, because it's close and you can get the things that you're looking for that you can't always find. KFC, Wendy's. And lastly, oh, there they are. Lastly, you got DIY. All right. All right, guys. Well, that is it. I just wanted to show you, and Dave, check out those refrigerators. And that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time. Peace.